If you want to set up Face Unlock on your OnePlus 13 5G, first of all, open up your settings. Now you have to scroll down to your Security and Privacy tab. Here, find your device unlock and make sure that you have your screen lock set, because otherwise you will be prompted to do it. So simply do it and get back here. So now choose your fingerprint and face unlock, choose your face option and press agree. Now let's confirm our pattern that we can edit and let's press add now. So keep your face within the frame, keep it still. Alright, and the face is now added. So press done. And basically that's it. Now we edit our face unlock. Let's try to unlock our phone with our face, and we just did it without any kind of problem. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.